Lion. Wild kiss, that's it. The letter L. Wild kiss, that's it. The letter L.